Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make Facebook text bold. Want to make Facebook text bold? You can easily do it. Follow these steps and you'll learn how to do it. Open up Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your Facebook profile. Click on What's on Your Mind and type in any text you would like to write. Click on long hold on your text and tap on copy after that. Now open any browser and go to yaytext.com website. Paste your copied text in this box. And scroll down to find bold text option. Once you find bold option, just tap on copy button next to it. Now go back to Facebook app and simply paste your text. As you can see, your text is being displayed in bold font now. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to make Facebook text bold. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.